Alrighty, there we go. So, valve cover is actually off now. We can go ahead and get rid of these gaskets that I believe have gone bad. Dang, dude, these things are sticky. I mean, I don't know if they've gone bad, but they're definitely not working. Do this, do that, take that one off. Cool. Alright. Now, I don't know the best way to take this off, but let me figure that out. I was about to say, dude, I'd hate to break something on the BMW. Alright, cool. I think that's a splash cover for that. Okay. Looking pretty good. Nice. I want to see if I can get it turned. I don't have a big socket, but we do have this, so we can try to turn the motor with this. I just want to see it turn. Nothing's going on me. Yo, that's sick. That's cool how the cams work. Wait, that's when it goes into the valley. Little valley area that's right there. Cool. So that's the valve cover gasket. Of course, the Vano side goes towards that way, so this is probably also going to get thrown away. Alright, so I'm just going to keep it keeping. Alrighty. So these bolts right here. That bolt, this one's double stacked, that one's double stacked right here. So if I believe I can see that on the camera. Alright, so off. That's coming off. This is coming off. Like I said, these two bolts right here are double stacked. There's a greasy bolt. Nope. I do have brakes somewhere, I'm quite sure it's going to be cool. Alright, this will be the part. Is he ready? This bolt's will now come undone. This bolt will now be put into a slot for memory keeping. Alright, so that's my crank sensor right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this out just because it needs to come out, and I think I have a new one, or maybe a cam sensor. But anyway, this thing's sort of banged up as well, so it's going to get changed out. But yeah, it's just going to go into the first bin. So we're just going to throw it in here. We have a whole parts bin full of parts. I don't know if I'm going to sell them, but indeed I do have a parts bin. So we'll leave this one's next. Alright, I'm coming out. Give it a little bit of persuasion. Spray a little bit of persuasive sauce on there. You know what it is. We're going to go with that. And then we're going to go with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nope, not going to do it. Alright. Cool. I'm really going to try to waste my time on my wrist, so I'm going to take that stud out just like so. I would like to actually try to get this off. Hold on, I have a pair of channel locks over there. I'm gonna try to fandangle with it. Look pretty tight. No, that's not what I want. Dang. This thing's on there. Just don't want to let go. I know this looks so wrong, but I think I might have to. Indeed. Alright, we're just going to leave it like that. I don't want to mess with the threads on it. Anyway, that's the water pump. Water pump actually doesn't work. You hear that? Bro, I know you can hear that. Hold on. It's like a weird feeling to it, but I definitely know this is not okay. So we're gonna go ahead and yeah, I made kind of a mess. Zoom. I think it's kind of looking kind of cruddy. I wonder if I can tilt it forward. The water pump. Water pump. Anyway, that says water pump. Now we can work on the oil filter. Let's go ahead and try to get this thing knocked out. Alright, cool. Actually, we're probably just going to be needing the bolts, but I don't believe we're going to keep that Vanos line. We're gonna probably upgrade it to a Chase Bay's one. So these can sit right. Van Elst oil line. Cool. Alright, so that bag is probably done.